Hey, how we doing today, y'all? My name is Sage Breed. I want to welcome you guys to Growth Track. Here is where we keep it short, simple, sweet, because there's things that you need to do. All right, so today, I want us to lock in. I want us to pay attention. I want us to focus. So if you got it, take out that pen, that paper, write that stuff down, okay? I'm going to hit you with something. And if you notice, what I tell y'all, right, last time we talked, boy, I had no calendar written out. I said I was going to get it done. I got it done. You know how I did that? Why I did that? Motivation. Okay, motivation isn't even something that's like, man, I really hope I can. Motivation is that drive. It's that desire. It's that fire. It's that thing that gives you that passion because passion runs out. So I'm going to hit you guys. We got three things. We got dreams, okay? Because when you think about motivation, it's, man, what's gonna keep me going? Motivation is like pouring gasoline or a fire starter on a fire, right? It's good if you just need a quick light, but it's not fuel. Motivation is good if you just want to start, but it's not fuel. So what we're gonna talk about is how do I even get this? And first you need that dream, okay? Then we're gonna talk about discipline. And here's the third one that I believe is really gonna impact you and take you to that next level. It's gonna take you even higher than what you thought possible. This third one, okay, you got dreams and hopes, you have discipline, now you need accountability. Okay, and that's what our Patreon is for. That's what our community is for. So you can go, hey guys, I got this idea, I have this dream, I have this vision. And we surround you with the resources that we all have. And we just say, I got that. What do you need? I got that. What do you need? I got that. And even saying, hey y'all, I need something for myself. I got that. Thank you. Thank you. Right, so we're gonna jump in. Motivation. First, you need a dream, you need a hope. The Bible says that hope deferred makes the heart sick. Right? It's like, man, I don't have any passion. I don't even know what I want to do with my life. It's like, I know I'm talented, I know I got like skills, but there's nothing that I really want to do. So what do we end up doing? We get in that mindset, man, we just end up burning the day away. And that's not what we want to do. We want to figure out, okay, well now I got something that I believe I'm good at. It's something that comes easy to you. Maybe it's talking, maybe it's music, maybe it's even just planning things, maybe it's building, maybe it's teaching, maybe it's taking a topic, breaking it down so it's simple. Whatever you're good at, it's a gift. Everything is a gift, right? Your skills are a gift. Your ability to learn is a gift. There comes a time where you realize this comes easier to me than these other things. That's what we're going to capitalize. So figure out, what am I good at? And say, okay, well, how do I want my gift to impact people? Because that's what it's for. Your gift's not for you. Your gift is for other people. You just borrow it, right? It's like saying, hey, here's some money. Go ahead and take care of this bill for me. Go ahead and give this to these people and you get to keep the rest. That's what your gift is, right? So you got a dream, you got a hope, saying, okay, well, let's say like even for me, y'all, I came to the conclusion that I need to start rocking my own brand. I was looking at my closet, I said, man, I'm wearing all these other people's brands. Ain't nobody wearing mine. I'ma wear mine, right? So it's starting off because I believe. I have a dream, I have a hope. I want to impact you, I want to impact the world. So I'm motivated. I got that drive, I got that dog in me. Next we got discipline. Because like we talked about before, bruh, you got to set your mind on things above. You got to say, okay, God, bam, fix my vision so I can go straight. Discipline is saying, okay, what is my vision? Is this helping me accomplish that? Because it's easy to just be running around and doing things for the sake of doing things, but action does not equal impact. Action does not equal how is this affecting positively what I'm trying to do. Right, so for me, if I want to be active and I want to be able to have fun and enjoy life, well, I need to be physically fit. I need to be disciplined and going to the gym. I was talking to this gentleman that I trained, and he goes, Sage, man, I didn't want to come to the gym today. I said, that's real, man. Me neither. He goes, really? I said, dude, I like almost never want to work out, to be honest with you. He goes, are you serious? Dude. Yo, even though I'm fit, I don't necessarily enjoy working out. I enjoy exercising. That's just that movement. That's just But working out, boy, that's stressful. It's painful. I like having free time. Free time isn't saying, oh, I get to do whatever I want whenever I want. That's called lack of discipline. Free time is saying, okay, I got this to do, this to do, this to do. Bam, I got time here that I'm leaving for myself. I got this to do, this to do. Bam, I got time here that I'm leaving for myself. That's how you have free time, because you know when there's something that you need to be doing. What makes free time free? The fact that you know there's nothing else that you need to be doing. Then you can enjoy it. That's like spending money that you know, man, this money was supposed to be for my gas, but my friends are inviting me out to eat. Now you're not gonna have no money. But if you set money aside and you create a budget, if you remain disciplined, bro, you can spend that money guilt-free. Discipline. How is my actions guiding me, building me, keeping me towards the vision, right? So we talked about dreams and hope. Okay, you gotta have something that you want to reach. Then you got discipline. This discipline is saying, is my actions aligning with where I want to go? Is it gonna keep me there? And this next one is, it's the most important one. Don't get it twisted. It's the most important one. Accountability. You need accountability, right? That's why I submit myself under mentors, because they're going to tell me, nah, Sage, you told me you had a dream. You told me you had a vision. That's not it. What you're doing right there, that's not it. Or Sage, you told me you had a dream. You told me you had a vision. This right here, what you're doing, keep doing that. In fact, we're going to sharpen this so you get even better at it. You have to have accountability. I texted my friends. I say, hey, y'all, we're making moves. Who's coming? I text my mentors, hey, I'm thinking about this. What do you think? I text Shelby, hey, I'm thinking about this. What do you think? Accountability. I tell them when I slip up. Hey, y'all, I slipped up today. Hey, y'all, I think I did really good at this today. Hey, y'all, go ahead and give me some feedback on how you think I've been doing. Because then when you get that image, you get that picture, you're moving. So guys, tap in to the Patreon, because that's what it's for. Okay? It's free for anybody that just wants a community. There's tiers to where you can pay. You get all the same content. But it's if you feel inclined to give to what we're doing, that way we can host things. Y'all, we got merch that's coming out soon. Everybody that subscribes to the Patreon, y'all, there's stuff for you. There's stuff for you that nobody else has access to. It's only for you. It's only for our community. So go ahead, tap in. That link is down below. Click it, check it out. Figure out how you want to grow. Okay, like I shared, I'm building a curriculum for us. So if you want to know, how do I go from where I'm at to that next level? How do I go from where I'm at to even figuring out where I want to be? Y'all, this is for you. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Okay, so we talked about discipline. We talked about having a dream and a hope. And we talked about accountability. So guys, I want to leave you with the action step. Because what good is all this if we're not even pointed in a direction? Okay, so out of all three of these things that we talked about, accountability is the most important. So what I want you to do, when this video ends, pull out that phone, text somebody. Man, I was just thinking about this, and this is something that I really want to accomplish. Can you help me stay accountable in this area? You don't have to make them accountable for your whole life, right? That's not what I'm saying. Like, I have different accountability partners for every single area of my life. You can do the same. I texted this group of guys, hey y'all, what's your vision? What's your dream? Text it to this group chat. That's what they're doing. This way, you can reach your goals. Y'all, we all get to eat. But what's even more important is that you learn how to grow your own food. Okay? We all get to hang out. But what's more important is that you figure out how to get there on your own. You gotta have your own car. Okay? Hey y'all, we're pulling up to this event. Yeah, we can ride together. I'm gonna teach you how to get a car, metaphorically and realistically. So you don't have to rely on anybody. You just rely on God. You have this community for support, not to lean on. Right? The Bible says bear each other's burdens, but that doesn't mean, hey y'all, I don't feel like walking, so just carry me. That's weak stuff. Okay? Y'all, I'm proud of you. You're strong. You're wise. You're disciplined. So go ahead and motivate yourself saying, I can do this. I'm able. You can. All right, y'all. I love y'all. Until next time. Peace.